name is Wilfred Mumbo, Site Engineer Projects at Mabati Rolling Mills. Today we are going to demonstrate on how to install Versatile.
Thank you, Mumbo. My name is Eliud Mwangi. I'm a site engineer. And by the way, Mumbo, what do you like about the Versatile sheet?
Versatile was the first tile profile that was introduced by Mabati Rolling Mills.
Aesthetically, how does it look like when it is done or installed at site?
All our steel tile profiles, we highly recommend our customers to buy the matte finish, which makes it less shiny and more appealing.
We are using the Atlaspan light gauge steel from MRM. This is the truss. We have two trusses that we did. And then you have the purlins. When you're doing the purlins, you have to make sure the space between the two purlins is 600 because the sheets from here to here is 300. So you have to make sure your purlins is along this line.
How to identify Versatile from Mabati Rolling Mills. The sheet comes with an embossment, Mabati Rolling Mills. And underneath there's an inkjet print after every 1 meter. Versatile is wider, approximately 1 meter, and it has 5 troughs.
During the installation of the sheet, one thing that you have to consider is to make sure that all your purlins are well aligned, and remember to have the 600 spacing between the two purlins. The other thing is you have to consider the direction of the wind so that your overlap will be away from the direction of the wind. So we'll start with installation. One thing that you have to note with the sheets, you have to make sure you have an overhang where you are doing the gutter on the eaves. Since you have 1 inch fascia board, and then you have the gutter. For this profile, we are going to do all the screws on this top crest, just below the most top, on each crest. This will help you in terms of strength, so that when you have the wind blowing and you have the uplift of the wind pressure, the sheet will not be blown away by the wind. So Mumbo will start doing the installation.
Okay, so the length of the screw is determined by, first of all, the substrate of the purlin that you're using, or it can be timber or it can be light steel. So for light steel, it's recommended that we have at least 3 threads passing through the purlin. And for timber, you need at least 1 inch, around 26 millimeters. So for that case, today, since you're using light gauge steel purlins, I have 50 millimeters. So you can either use 65 or 50. So that one will be enough to pass through the crest and anchor onto your purlin. Versatile has a unique feature as compared to the other profile. It has an anti-capillary groove. So when you are fixing, make sure this anti-capillary groove is covered.
In between or the mid spans, you can do screws jumping 1 crest. Then where you have the overlap, we do add a screw. This is to prevent any uplift of the wind on this direction because there's a joint there.
We do stock PVC hex cap just to finish your beautiful roof. You cover the head of the screw with that.
Steal the show with versatile, oriental and elegantile steel roofing tiles. Backed by a genuine warranty only from Mabati Rolling Mills. Visit our dealership or call us today at 0788 202020.